Want more Rolling with Tay podcasts? Well, follow on Instagram and Twitter at Rolling with Tay. Visit the blog rollingwithtay.wordpress.com for more content and be sure to sign up for the monthly newsletter. And lastly, subscribe to the YouTube channel Rolling with Tay. What's up, everyone? It's Tasia, aka Tay, Rolling with Tay. This is the Rolling with Tay podcast, and I am in Berlin for the BMW Inline Skate Marathon. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm here, and I'm standing here with Mike Mason, the founder of the Florida Inline Skate Marathon.
Yes, you got it right.
Which takes place in Sarasota, Florida.
Yes.
I've never been to Sarasota, Florida.
You'll love it. It's like paradise. We have the #1 beach in the country. So.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so now I got to go to Sarasota?
Yes, you do.
I have to go for two reasons. To skate in the marathon and to go to that beach.
Yes.
Okay, so we just met Mike on the spot, and we were talking about the marathon, and then we were talking about his marathon, and I want to ask you,
Sure.
What inspired you to?
Actually, so I was doing triathlons during COVID, and nobody was racing in the country. And I was like, well, wait a minute. I live in Florida. We don't have half the restrictions. Why not? Give somebody an outlet to skate and have fun. So it's held at Nathan Benderson Park in Sarasota, Florida, which is where they do the Olympic time trials for rowing, NCAA tournaments for rowing. It's a huge rowing community. So it's on a 3.6 mile loop. So I shut down roads. I mean, and what's nice about the area, it's a one-stop shop for everything. Mm-hmm. It has high-end dining, hotel, shopping. I mean, they're actually the next year they'll finish the Moat Marine Aquarium, which is a $100 million aquarium. They're building right next to the track. They also have Tiger Woods mini golf right there too. So it's literally, you don't have to go anywhere. You have everything right there.
That is crazy. Ooh,
yes.
You have a beautiful area right there.
Oh, yes, we do.
So, okay. Now you said this will be your third year?
Third year, yes.
Third year. And how has it been going? Because I've heard about it. I've interviewed a few skaters, and they spoke about your marathon. And I started following you guys on Instagram.
Well, thank you.
And I'm like, okay, I'll make it down. I just told you, I am going to make it down to Florida to participate in this marathon. But besides it being in Florida and in this area, what makes it different? What is appealing? What would you say, Mike?
Well, so the other marathon that's held in the U.S. is North Shore, which was just last weekend. They had great numbers, turnout and everything. So they're a point-to-point race. Ours is a track. It's on an enclosed track with tons of room to skate and beautiful views. So it's a whole different experience. It's a fast track. So, and what's nice is there's a 6-foot floor observation tower. So people can go actually up on the 6th floor, get a 360 view and watch everything.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm coming. I am
okay.
I'm coming.
I'm gonna hold you to it.
Listen.
I will track you down.
Listen. Oh, that seems so even just to watch it.
Right.
But let alone participate in it is like, wow. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I didn't know all that.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And then you're participating tomorrow.
Yes, in the Berlin Marathon.
And how many years have you done it?
This is my third year.
Third year.
And I love doing this marathon. I'm a history buff, so I love skating through the streets and seeing all the history. And it's awesome to do that. Sometimes I find myself too distracted because I'm like, ooh, look at that building. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta skate. I did the same thing when I was competing in China. I was skating around and I'm like, oh my God, this is awesome. Oh crap. Focus.
Right.
It's my ADHD, it kicks in.
Listen, so much to see. I'm just like you, I love exploring.
Right.
Especially on a bike or some blades. It's a different type of feel.
Oh yeah.
So I'm looking forward to it.
Oh yeah. So we have one of the Bont inline skates. They're our title sponsor. Rollerblade, which is over here, is sponsoring our half marathon. So we have some big name companies sponsoring us, and they've been really good to us and really loyal. So it's going to be a good event.
Oh, man. Okay. I didn't know where to go after this. I was like, okay, Berlin. Okay, I've done Duluth. I'm thinking of Athens to Atlanta. I was like, now, next year.
Yeah, next year. And and I always say this, I would say support every race that's out there. We're all working to build up skating in the U.S.
Yes. I like that. Okay. So I'm coming either next year.
Oh, no. Yes, you are coming.
I'm coming.
Yes,
I'm coming.
I will harass you until you come.
I'm just trying to decide when I'm coming, but once I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it.
Okay. I'll hold you to it.
All right. Well, I'm going to let you get back to enjoying the festivities at the expo. Thank you so much for your
you're
time.
welcome. Thank you.
And I will see you on the track.
Yes, you will.
And then I'll see you in Florida.
All right. Promise.
Listen, I promise.
All right.
It's on tape.
Okay.
It's recorded. This is the Rolling with Tay podcast. I'm your host, Tasia, a.k.a. Tay, and thanks for listening.